If you are looking for a free IPTV player for your Android phone that is lightweight, fast, and doesn't keep showing annoying ads, this video is for you.
And before we start, if you also need an IPTV service to use with your player, you can check NewIPTV.site.
They offer a 24-hour free trial, so you can test the service before making any decision. Now, let's talk about the IPTV Player. The app I recommend today is called XCIPTV Player. It is one of the popular IPTV players for Android devices. One of the reasons people like it is its simple and lightweight interface.
It doesn't come with a complicated setup, and you don't need a powerful Android phone to run it smoothly. Plus, it's easy to use and provides smooth performance on any Android device.
To install it, simply open the Google Play Store on your Android phone.
Search for XCIPTV Player. Find the official app, install it, and open it. Once the app is installed, you will need your IPTV login details from your IPTV provider. Usually, your provider will give you an Xtream Codes username, password, and server URL.
Enter those details into XCIPTV Player, and your channels, movies, and series can appear inside the app.
One important thing to understand is that XCIPTV Player itself does not provide TV channels or movies. It is just the player. You need a separate IPTV service to provide the content.
And if you don't have an IPTV service yet, check NewIPTV.site and try the free 24-hour trial.
I've also put the link in the first comment, so you can easily find it.
No more waiting for the signal, your screen, your pixel.